Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video we will see how to write a Python program to filter digits of a given number using for loop. For example, if we take a number like 45643, then we need to filter each digit by using this condition. If the digit is less than 5 and if the digit is greater than 5, we need to separate the digits. For example, here 4 less than 5, here 5 equal to 5, here 6 greater than 5. Like this, we need to separate each and every digit in that number. So let's get started. First, we will see the code and later on we will discuss the code. All these programs are basic level programs in Python. We will see more complex videos in further videos. We will see more complex programs. So please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. While typing the code, we need to be careful while giving indentation spaces. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file to execute this file. So click on File, click on Save As. Now we can give any file name. For example, for digit .py. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So this is the file name and this is the extension. So file name .py. Now click on save. Yeah, file is saved and also we got Python file over here. Now we need to execute this program by using command prompt. To open command prompt, click here and type cmd, enter. Now we need to give path. So cd space desktop, enter. Now dictionary dir, enter. Give file name which we have created and saved just now. Digit per digit .py, enter. See, enter a number, any number you can write. For example, I want to write 56743, enter. See, we are getting greater than or equal to 5 is 5 and greater than or equal to 5 is 6, greater than or equal to 5 is 7 and less than 5 is 4 and less than 5 is 3. In this way, we can filter the digits of a given number using for loop. Once again, we will see file name .py, enter. Give any number, enter. See, we are getting 5, 7 and 5, 5, 9. These are the greater than or equal to 5 and less than 5 or 2 and less than 5, 2. Now copy this and I will paste the output over here. Yeah, this is the output and this is the code. Now we will see the code line by line. This line of code is used to enter a number by the user. And next, for dig in str of n. Dig means digit. Str of n is used to convert integer n to string. So we are using str of n. After that, if int dig less than 5. Now we are checking each digit is less than 5 or not. If the statement is true, then it will enter the condition statement and it will print less than 5 equal to int digit. It will print that digit which is less than 5, or else it will go to else statement and it will print greater than or equal to 5. In this way, we can filter the digits of a given number using for loop. I hope everyone clear with this code and output. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.